Hello, health enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned wellness advocate or just starting your journey toward a healthier lifestyle, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the vibrant world of carrot juice, a drink as bright as it is beneficial. Its cheerful color is just the beginning of what makes it so special. More than just a tasty beverage, carrot juice is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's packed with vitamins like A, C, and K, as well as minerals such as potassium and antioxidants that help your body thrive. It's a simple way to get a concentrated dose of vitamins and minerals, especially if you struggle to eat enough veggies. For many, drinking carrot juice is an easy and delicious solution to bridge the gap in their daily nutrition. Juicing carrots lets you enjoy the goodness of several carrots in one refreshing glass. Imagine getting the benefits of 3 or 4 carrots in just a few sips, without the need to crunch through them all. Carrot juice has become a staple in juice bars and grocery stores, loved for its natural sweetness and health perks. Its popularity has soared as more people discover its unique flavor and impressive nutritional profile. People drink it for energy, glowing skin, and overall wellness. The beta-carotene in carrots is known to support skin health, giving you that radiant, healthy glow from within. The process is straightforward. Press fresh carrots, extract the liquid, and you're left with a nutrient-rich drink. You don't need fancy equipment. Even a basic juicer or blender can help you whip up a glass at home. While you lose some fiber, you gain a potent, easily absorbable source of nutrition. The juice is quickly digested, making it perfect for a morning boost or a midday pick-me-up. This concentrated nutrition is what makes carrot juice a powerful addition to a healthy diet. It pairs well with other fruits and veggies, so you can get creative with your blends. Why all the buzz? Because this humble root, when juiced, delivers a surprising array of health benefits. From supporting heart health and boosting your immune system, to protecting your eyes and even aiding digestion, carrot juice has a lot to offer. Its nutrients work together to help your body function at its best. In the next scenes, we'll dive into these benefits and share tips for making the most of this sunny drink. We'll also show you how to select the best carrots and create your own delicious recipes at home. Get ready to discover how carrot juice can brighten your path to better health. So, grab your glass and let's toast to a vibrant, healthier you. Let's talk about your heart, the incredible organ that keeps you alive every second of every day. It works tirelessly, pumping blood and delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. Without a healthy heart, nothing else in your body can function at its best. Think of your heart as the engine of your body. Just like a car engine needs the right fuel and care to run smoothly, your heart needs the right nutrients and lifestyle choices to stay strong and efficient. Carrot juice is packed with heart-friendly nutrients like vitamins A, C, E, and potassium. These nutrients work together to keep your cardiovascular system in top shape, supporting everything from blood flow to cell repair. Potassium is especially important for managing blood pressure and balancing sodium levels. When you get enough potassium, it helps your body flush out excess sodium, which can otherwise raise your blood pressure and put extra strain on your heart. By relaxing blood vessel walls, potassium helps lower blood pressure and reduces strain on your heart. This means your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood, which can help prevent long-term damage and lower your risk of heart disease. Antioxidants in carrot juice, such as vitamins A and E, protect your heart from damage and help manage cholesterol. These powerful compounds fight off free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can harm your blood vessels and increase your risk of heart problems. Studies show that juices rich in these vitamins can improve blood lipid levels, making it easier for your heart to pump blood. Lower cholesterol and healthier arteries mean better circulation and less risk of blockages. Each glass of carrot juice acts as a protective shield, fighting off damage from free radicals. Over time, these small choices add up, helping to keep your arteries clear and your heart beating strong. Diets high in vitamins A, C, and E are linked to a lower risk of heart problems. Including a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your meals, along with carrot juice, can make a real difference in your long-term health. By adding carrot juice to your routine, you're nourishing and protecting your most vital organ. It's a simple step that fits easily into your day, whether you enjoy it with breakfast or as a refreshing afternoon pick-me-up. It's a simple, delicious way to support long-term cardiovascular health. Plus, it's a habit the whole family can enjoy together, making healthy living both fun and rewarding. So, next time you pour a glass, remember, you're doing your heart a favor. Every sip is a step toward a stronger, healthier you. Small daily choices can make a big difference for your heart. Consistency is key, and even minor changes can add up to major benefits over time. Cheers to a healthier, happier heart. Here's to making every day a little brighter, and every heartbeat a little stronger. You've heard carrots are good for your eyes. Carrot juice makes it even easier to reap those benefits. It's loaded with vitamin A, providing more than double your daily needs in a single glass. Vitamin A is essential for good vision, especially in low light, and helps prevent night blindness. Carrot juice also supplies lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that act like internal sunglasses for your eyes. These compounds filter harmful blue light and protect sensitive eye tissues. Regularly drinking carrot juice helps reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions. With every sip, you're nourishing your eyes and preserving your vision. It's more than just quenching your thirst, it's investing in your sight. Vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin work together to keep your world clear and bright. Carrot juice truly is vision in a glass. Drink up for healthy eyes. Your immune system is your body's personal bodyguard, working around the clock to protect you from harmful invaders like viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. Just like any good defense system, it needs the right fuel and support to stay in top shape. One delicious way to help keep your immune system strong is by drinking carrot juice. This vibrant drink is packed with nutrients that your body craves, especially when it comes to fighting off illness. The secret weapon in carrot juice is beta-carotene, the natural pigment that gives carrots their bright orange color and is a powerful antioxidant. When you drink carrot juice, your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for immune health. Vitamin A is crucial for a robust immune response, helping your body recognize and respond to threats more efficiently. It also plays a key role in maintaining healthy skin and mucosal linings. These are your body's first line of defense, acting as barriers that block germs from entering. By regularly drinking carrot juice, you reinforce these protective barriers, making it harder for viruses and bacteria to invade your system. This simple habit can help you and your loved ones stay healthier, especially during cold and flu season. Research shows that the nutrients in carrot juice may even boost your immune cells' ability to respond to threats, making your body more resilient. Think of it as training for your immune system. Just as athletes train their bodies to be faster and stronger, carrot juice helps your immune cells become more effective. With regular support, your immune system can react more quickly and efficiently to any challenge. Plus, the antioxidants in carrot juice support the growth and function of key immune cells, helping your body recover and stay balanced. Making carrot juice a regular part of your diet is an easy, enjoyable way to keep your body's defenses alert and ready for anything. It's a simple, tasty way to support your immune system and invest in your long-term health. So, stay strong, one glass at a time. Your body will thank you for it. Want glowing skin? Carrot juice can help you achieve that radiance from within. It's rich in vitamin A, essential for cell growth and repair, keeping your skin fresh and vibrant. Vitamin C in carrot juice boosts collagen production, giving your skin firmness and elasticity. Antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C protect your skin from free radical damage, slowing signs of aging. Carrot juice may also help even out skin tone and prevent dark spots. While it's not a cure for acne, enough vitamin A supports overall skin health. Drinking carrot juice nourishes your skin from the inside out. It's a holistic approach to beauty. Simple, natural, and effective. Sip your way to a healthy, natural glow. Chronic inflammation can lead to health problems, but carrot juice offers a tasty way to help manage it. The antioxidants, especially beta-carotene, support a balanced immune system and help control inflammation. By reducing oxidative stress, carrot juice helps your body maintain its natural equilibrium. Studies link beta-carotene to lower levels of inflammation markers like C-reactive protein. Adding carrot juice to your diet is a simple strategy to keep inflammation in check. It's not a magic cure, but it's a positive step for your health. Combine it with a colorful diet, exercise, and good sleep for best results. Give your body the tools to stay calm and resilient. What makes carrot juice a nutritional superstar? Let's break it down. An 8-ounce glass has about 96 calories, mostly from natural sugars and carbs. The real magic is in the vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A, over 250% of your daily value. Vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin E, and potassium. You'll also get a bit of iron for healthy blood. Carrot juice is more than a sweet drink. It's a multi-nutrient boost from nature. Each sip delivers concentrated vitamins and antioxidants for your eyes, skin, heart, and immune system. It's an easy way to top up nutrients you might miss in your daily meals. Knowing what's inside makes every glass more satisfying. Drink up and nourish your body. Carrot juice is healthy, but a few smart tips can help you get the most from it. Since juicing removes fiber, natural sugars are absorbed quickly. Pair your juice with protein or healthy fat to slow this down. Moderation is key. 4 to 8 ounces is a healthy serving. Make juice at home for freshness and drink it within a day or two. If buying, choose 100% juice and avoid added sugars. Get creative. Mix carrot juice with other veggies or a splash of citrus for extra flavor and nutrients. Try different carrot varieties for unique antioxidants. Keep it interesting and your body will thank you. Enjoy carrot juice in moderation and be mindful of a few things. It's naturally high in sugar, so stick to smaller servings, especially if you're watching your blood sugar. Drinking too much can cause carotenemia, an orange tint to your skin, which is harmless and reversible. Practice food safety. Wash carrots well, and drink homemade juice soon after making it. Those with weakened immune systems should opt for pasteurized juice. Carrot juice is a nutrient powerhouse for your eyes, heart, immune system, and skin. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a valuable wellness tool. Enjoy it pure, in moderation, and as part of a balanced diet. Raise a glass to your health. Cheers to vibrant living.